In this exercise, we are going to solve an application of an exponential equation. How long would it take $1,000 to double at 8% compounded continuously? In order to conduct this problem, we need to remember our equation. A is equal to P times E raised to the RT. This is the equation we will use anytime we have something compounded continuously. A represents the end amount. P is the principal, how much money we started with. E is the number E. R is our rate, and T represents our time. Beginning with this problem here, how long would it take $1,000 to double? Well, 1,000 is the amount we are starting with. That represents our principal. We are looking to double our money. That means we have an end amount of 2,000, or double of 1,000. We will have E still. Our interest rate is 8%. You will always want to convert that percent into a decimal form. I will have 0.08, and we're asking how long, so T will remain our variable. Now we must go down and solve. In order to isolate the exponential on one side of the equation, I will divide both sides through by 1,000. Thus, I will now have that 2 is equal to e to the 0.08 t. In order to solve for my exponential, I must use logarithms. Since e is my base of my exponential here, I will use a natural logarithm. I will take the natural log of both sides of my equation here. Thus, I will now have that the natural log of 2 is equal to 0.08 t. My last step now to solve for t is to divide both sides of the equation through by 0.08. Thus, in doing so, we will get that t is approximately equal to 8.66. Time for this type of equation will always be in years. When solving an equation about compounded interest, if you see the word continuously present, you will use the equation A is equal to P times E raised to the RT power.